How to use the Beanstack Tracker app for the Monmouth County Library's Summer Reading Challenge. First, go to your Apple or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet to download the app. Don't worry, it's completely free. Once downloaded, go to this icon and open the app on your device. Whether this is your first time using the program or just your first time using the app, it will ask you, does your school, library, or bookstore already use Beanstack? It will then prompt you to search for your library or school. Type in Monmouth County in the search bar and we will come up. Click on Monmouth County Library. Once you see the screen, you can enter in your existing account or click the Don't Have an Account? Sign Up section of the screen. If you have an existing account, welcome back, and you can log in. If you do not, welcome. Let's create a new account. You will first have to fill in all the information for the account creator. The account creator is the person who is the owner of the account. If you're only signing yourself up, or you're an adult creating a family account, you would be the account creator. We'll go over how to add more people to your account later in the video. Please note that usernames that have spaces in them will not work on the app. The app will use the information you provide to suggest the best summer reading challenge based on age. If you have more than one person under your account, you will use the little gray circle at the top right of the home screen to switch between people. You can use the blue icon with the white plus sign in the middle to add to your log. If you have multiple people on your account, no matter who you have up, you can click on that plus sign and it will give you the option to add reading to any of the names under your account. If logging reading, check off next to the name and choose your logging method. If you have the book in front of you, you can click Scan ISBN. This will use your device's camera, and all you need to do is face the camera over the publisher's barcode. If you do not have the ISBN, a working camera on your device, or for some reason it's just not reading the barcode, you can select Manually Enter Title Info. Once you scan or add a book, you can start a reading session, log past reading, or quick log as complete. Starting a reading session will start a timer that will automatically update your log when you've completed reading. This is a great choice if you want to keep track of how much time you've read, like in the Vacation Reading Challenge and Teen Readers. If you've already timed your reading for this book, tapping Log Past Reading lets you log that time super easily. If you just want to log a book that you've read, tapping Quick Log as complete will add this book to your reading log, a perfect option for the Adult Challenge and Read to Me Kids. If logging an activity, multiple activities will come up. When you click on each one, it will tell you the requirements for completing that specific activity. And if you have completed it, you can check off the little empty box which will fill with a check mark. All challenges have activities as part of their challenge, and some of the levels have it as a requirement to earn reading rewards. For example, a Vacation Reading Club participant may have logged 16 hours of reading, but will not have officially earned the reading reward until checking off that they have accomplished 3 activity badges. Don't worry, the activities are simple and fun. Now last, but certainly not least, if you have someone you wish to add to your account, you'll want to click on the account symbol. Then the following screen will come up that says Account Readers About. Click on the word Readers, and any existing people, including yourself, will come up. Below those names will be Add a Reader. Click on that and fill in the information. Once everyone is signed up, you can add to any person's log on your account using the plus sign button. Thanks for your interest in our summer reading challenge. Happy reading!